In this video, I'll show you how to resize images in your Squarespace blog. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left hand side, and you just want to make sure that website is selected. Now, under website, you want to click on pages, and on the pages section, you just want to click on your blog page. Now, this could be either on your main navigation or your not linked pages, but you will know a blog is a blog page is because it has the title blog and the tip of the pen as the logo. Now, click on your blog page. And on the left hand side, you want to head over to blog overview and you just want to click on your blog. Once you are on your blog page and it has your image, you want to head over to the top bar and on the left hand side, simply click on edit so we can start editing our website. Now, there are a lot of ways for you to resize the image in a blog. Now, one thing that you have to know is that in blog images, you can't just simply hold and then scale this into an exact size. However, if you click on the image block and at the top, click on the pencil to edit, on the right hand side, you want to make sure that you are on the design tab. And in here on the design, you want to click on the drop down. And the smallest that you can go is choose the card. Now, as you can see, when you have a card, it will automatically make the image smaller. And on the right hand side should be the paragraph. Now, there is a way for you to make this even smaller is by adding another image block on the right hand side and making it into a card. Now, what you want to do is simply hover on a block and you will see a plus sign. Now, click on the plus sign and on the right hand side, you just want to click on image. If you can't find image, there is a search bar at the very top, so just simply search for image. Now at the bottom, click on image, and that will automatically add an image block. Now click on the plus sign to add your second image. Now we want to browse from the stock images, or this could depend on how you want it to be. Now let's say we want to add this image. And once the image block has been added, what I want you to do is hold the image and drag it beside the other image. As you can see, it will make the left image much smaller, and on the right hand side, you want to click on the image again, and at the top, click on the pencil to edit, and on the right hand side, if you click on the drop down, we can set the image to be a card, and it will both be smaller. Now on the design section, since we have the card as the smallest, if you want to make it bigger, then set it as an inline, a poster, a card, an overlap, a collage, as well as a stack. Now, this is depending on how you want the image to look like. If you want it to stand on its own, then just simply hold and drag and make sure that you are adding it on a horizontal line. Now, from here, you can edit the image block again, and you can set it to an inline, a poster, a card, an overlap, a collage, as well as a stack. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.